My name is Tim Williams and I'm part of Hengoed Care family. We're a home within the community and very much part of the community, from the staff that work here who live in the locality around Swansea.
Hi, I'm Sue Lewis and I'm a carer. I've been here 7 years and my role is obviously to care for my residents on a daily basis, looking after all their needs, reassuring them, make sure they're happy and content, and to make sure that they're cared for and all their needs are met and they're happy and you can see a little smile off them, And that, to me, if I can do that in a day and go home, I feel quite happy.
I think registration in this care world is so important because it gives that recognition, but also it underpins the core values and the core beliefs of what all of our staff in this environment are tuned into. The connection of having that registration is so important for us. It's not just on a Thursday that we clap our care staff, it's every day. It's those simple things that no one gets to see, that sometimes no one gets to hear when a door is closed, or when a hand is held, or when an arm is put around someone's shoulder. There is one thing that is commonplace, and that is the connection with the people that we look after.
Well, it's safeguarding, of course, first of all for the residents and ourselves, because we've got to look after ourselves as well, and to give the family members peace of mind to know that their loved ones are looked after well and protected, really.
This is a journey that we are on with our staff as well, that we will, we very much do this together, but we will have that support in place to help them complete that registration process.
I'm okay on the computer, but obviously if I'm stuck, we've got such a brilliant team here with the managers that you can sit down, there's always a computer there and they will guide you through it, no hesitation. And I feel quite confident about that.